Now, I'm not actually very proud of this. It was built to demonstrate that screwdriver handle can do what they're doing here, propagate balls, ping pong balls. And it actually runs very nicely with just one ball. But as always, I like to push my luck and have an extra one. There we go. Anyway, it's running very nicely. You can see that this end of the screwdrivers, well, they've been snipped off. They don't have to be, but I'm not going to fiddle and paddle with trying to drive them from the blades of the screwdriver. This is the part that matters, and it's working very nicely, as you see, most of the time. There we go. Okay. Yes.